Hello everyone, AJ out here at Richardson Tree Farms. Got a beautiful day out. We're going to do some cleaning up back here, and I just want to kind of go over how I'm doing this. I'll show you what I'm cleaning up, how I'm doing it. So I've got back here behind me. There's some trees that are down. We kind of squared up this field back in here a little bit. Our other trees are sitting right back over there. So anyway, we kind of squared this field up just a little bit and made a mess. Things happen. That's just all part of progress. But I'm cleaning these trees up. Some of the ones that are big enough for market, I'm cutting them up, hauling them down to a local sawmill, making a little money off of them. That kind of helps keep things going around here, or some of the extracurricular activities I like to do. But what we've got, I want to go over this with you guys so that way you kind of got an idea. So I've got trees that are down, they've got stumps on them still. Cutting the stumps off, dragging the trees out, and I'm using the tractor to do so. I'll flip the camera around real quick and show you guys what I've got going on here. So I've got a set of forks on the front of the tractor. I don't have a third function valve on here because I haven't put it on there. It's on the list of things to do. Just money wise, I can't see spending the kind of money to get a grapple, all that. So I've got this set of forks, works really well. I cut the logs up, carry them up front with it, cut up, needless to say, my saw. Dragging them, I have to drag them out so I can get to them. I may not be using this correctly, but I've got my quick hitch here, and using that top hook right there, wrap a chain around them. I'll show you guys that. We'll wrap a chain around the trees, drag them out. It works really, really well. It picks the ends of the trees up. But we've got a little spot down there that we've got a few trees in. Right there where Cooper's at. On the other side of him and Riley. Yes. But down there by the bucket, there's some trees. And then we've got, I'm going to go over here. And I'll show you what we kind of have left after that. These were taken down last spring. We'll walk over here through this. And there's another one right there. I'm going to say that one there, that hole, came from that stump. Now, like I said, I've already got the trees cut off the stump itself. That one there's some good marketable lumber, wood in that tree. May not be high quality, but it will make a few extra dollars. Otherwise, some of these smaller ones, like this little one right here, I take it and kind of sell it for firewood. Got a guy coming over here in a little bit. He's gonna come and cut some of this stuff up and haul it out. I sell it, $30 a truckload. Come out, grab it. You cut it up. I'll haul it up there where it's easy to get to. You guys cut it up, and that's another little way I make a few extra dollars. Now, whenever I do pull them out, I take all the little tops and all that stuff, cut that off of there, and we're going to work on getting all this cleaned up and try and get some of this smoothed out. Hopefully that way plant some grass on it, and this winter it'll all settle in and we can go over it, grade it real smooth. And looks like the kids have built a fort over there that they need to take down at some point. So anywho, there's the sun. Okay, so we're going to go through here and we're going to get all this stuff cleaned up today. That's kind of going to be our project. See if we can happen to start doing a little moving dirt and getting stuff situated. Not supposed to have a good wind today. Everything's nice and wet, so we may end up starting us a little fire here once we get a good pile going. So I'm going to go set you guys over here to the side and show you kind of about how we do this. All right, so we're gonna take and keep on cleaning this stuff up here for a minute. We get it where I want it to be at. We'll get back with you, show you where we're at and our finished product. So stay tuned. We'll be right back.